Hello guys, today we're doing a YouTube video, right Justin?
Yes, absolutely. This is the Big Daddy grand finale of all the fireworks.
Yes, the Big Daddy.
We have our audience over here watching.
That's our audience. Say hello, audience! Hello! And Justin's my assistant. There's the Big Daddy.
The Big Daddy. Gotta make sure this is facing the right direction.
Wait, we have to blow it off way down there, Justin.
Of course. There we go.
Yeah, we're gonna show you how to light a firework.
Oh, thank you.
Kind of, if you didn't know, and
Says it on the top.
We're gonna watch the grand finale. So now we're walking down to the big, deep, dark pit, right, Justin?
Yes.
Absolutely.
This is the safe zone.
Yes, safe
But it's
fish.
the battlefield at the same time.
Yes, it's both of those. There's our audience.
Yes.
Okay, so we're setting this thing up on wood so it goes that way, and we can get a better look. So Justin's gonna light it.
And we got,
okay, there's the igniter.
for a better view, place this side facing your
Here,
spectator.
just wait, let me go around.
We got that set up.
Okay.
Views on this side. You ready to run?
Okay, put the fire up to the wick. Let it light,
Let it
and there,
burn. Run!
That's it. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. So bye.